morning and welcome to day 24 of Vlogtober. Alright, excuse the little bit of mess of the room. The bed is not made. I am going to be packing for our weekend trip to Halifax, and I'll kind of show you how I pack using my capsule wardrobe as well, and then I'll show you my minimalist makeup bag that I'm taking with me. Okay, so starting out, this is what I'm going to wear tomorrow for my day at the office. It's just a pair of black jeans because we do casual on Fridays, and this black and white shirt, and I'm going to wear this sweater over top of it, so this will be my outfit for the drive tomorrow as well. And then for the concert and just like hanging out and going to brunch and stuff on Saturday, I'm gonna wear a black tank top, my jean jacket, because it's supposed to rain. So I wanted something that I could wear to keep me warm as like a layer, and then put my rain jacket on top of. So I'll have my rain jacket packed in the car. And I'm gonna wear the black jeans as well. And then for the drive home on Sunday, or in case I spill something on my black jeans, I have my blue jeans and a yellow long sleeve top, and I'll be able to put the cardigan on over top of that as well if I need to, or the rain jacket, or whatever it may be. I'm hopeful that I can get in at least one workout, if not two, while I'm there. So I'm packing some leggings, a couple workout shirts, and a sports bra. And then I also have these pants. They're just like lounge pants. They're gonna be my pajama pants. And I have my sneakers. And I'm just gonna throw in an extra t-shirt for sleeping in, but I can't find the one that I want because I want a Halloween one, obviously. All right, I'm gonna show you what's going in my minimalist makeup bag. Most of it is product. I have 3 brushes, and there's one thing that I haven't tried before, but I figured I'd bring it with me and give it a shot because it's a liquid eyeliner that I rarely ever use, but since I'm going to a concert, it's like one of the times that I would use it, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So the first thing is this NARS foundation. This is new. I haven't been using it very long. I just got it at Sephora. It is in the color Mont Blanc, and it is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I have that. I have the tried and true Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. I have the Tarteist Pro to Glow, and I love how small this compact is, and the contour is the right color. I really like both of the highlights, and I like that you could use all 3 colors to supplement your eyeshadow. So taking that for contour and highlight. I'm taking this blush, also by Tarte. I think this was part of one of the birthday gifts, and I really like these little Tarte Amazonian clay blushes. They make them in bigger sizes, but like, who runs out of blush? Not me. So this one is in the shade Party. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that this was a birthday collection one. Then I'll show you my brushes. This is just kind of a random selection. I use this one from Luxie Brush for my highlight. I use this one from Crown as my contour, and I use this one from Lancome as my blush. Moving on to eyes, I have this, it's like a cream stick. It's called Brilliant Eye Brightener, and it's like a cream shadow stick, and it's like a nice champagne color. I got this one in a FabFitFun box, and I quite like it. And then my tried and true makeup bag staple is this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Yogurt, which is so funny, but it's like a rose gold color. So I just do a shimmery eye look with the 2 of these, and then if I want to add in like a little bit of dark, I use the contour from this, but normally I don't. And then I have this Ico pencil that or I guess it's a liquid liner that I haven't used before. So this is kind of be a test run. So it's waterproof, lash enhancing. This Tarte Gifted mascara is one of my favorites. It just feels really natural and you don't feel like you're wearing a ton of cakey mascara, so big fan of this. And then I have my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, super easy to use, and a little mini Tarte liquid lipstick. As you can see, it's been in my drawer, so it's kind of gunky, but it's fine on the inside. Oh, you gonna focus? Yeah. And I also do have a lipstick in my purse that I will also be using. It is the Katy Kat Matte CoverGirl lipstick in the shade Sphinx. So it all fits in this bag, which, I mean, you can tell based on the size of my hands, is pretty small and just kind of gets tucked away. And I feel like I have everything I need to do like a nice going out look, but also I'm not taking up too much space. All right, that's all I've got for now. I'm going to pack up the rest of my stuff in the morning and then we're heading out right after work. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.